Do you know how to use multiplication to solve a system of linear equations? First, let's think about the different ways you already have learned to solve linear equations that are in a system. Graphing was the first way, and graphing makes sense when the system is in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form. Substitution is the second way that you learned, and substitution also makes the most sense when the equations are in slope-intercept form. Elimination makes sense when equations are in standard form. And when you use elimination, you're going to use addition or subtraction to eliminate one of the variables. These are the three ways that you have learned so far to solve a system of equations. But sometimes you're going to have a system where none of these make sense. Let's look at a system of equations like that. Here's our system of linear equations. You can see right away that they're not in slope-intercept form, so that eliminates graphing and substitution. They are in standard form. However, because there isn't an additive inverse, we can't easily eliminate the x's or the y's, so elimination doesn't work. It doesn't work for addition or subtraction, but what about multiplication? To work with this system, we can multiply by a value, change one of the linear equations completely, and then use elimination. Let's look at what they have in common. 2 and 3, right here, there's no way to multiply anything times 2 to get 3, and there's no way to multiply anything times 3 to get 2. Let's not work with the x's. Let's look at the y's. We have 6 and 2. We can multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. Or better yet, if we're looking to eliminate the y's, we can multiply 2 times negative 3 to get 6. We have to do that to the whole equation. We're going to multiply it all by negative 3 and change all the values. Negative 3 times 2x gives me a negative 6x minus negative 3 times 2y, 6y, equals negative 24. Now the second equation, that's going to stay the same, and we'll bring that down. 3x plus 6y equals 9. Now we can add both of these, and we'll be able to eliminate the y value right here and solve for x. 24, negative 24, plus 9 is a negative 15. Negative 6x plus 3x is a negative 3x. Divide both by negative 3, and x equals 5. Now, we can take this 5 and substitute it back into one of the original equations and solve for y. Let's substitute 5 for x into the first equation. 2 times 5 plus 2y equals 8. We have 10 plus 2y equals 8. Subtract 10 from both sides. 2y equals negative 2. Y equals negative 1. So we can say that the solution for this system is 5, negative 1.